Oh, yes. Hi there, Tony Maynard from diehardforeducation.com. And I'm at the picture for friendship on the relationship page, the section of the Printful business, which is what the platform I recommend. This is a print on demand where you can put your logos, your sayings, and your logos, your sayings, and your slogans on your caps, your caps, your t-shirts, your mugs, hoodies, and what else? Jackets, and anything else you can think of, right? This is what this is about. It's a passive income business that it takes a bit of time, but it will outstrip your active income job, where you got to go 8 to 10 hours a day every day for 5 days a week, and then the only thing you get to enjoy is the weekend. You want to get away from that as quick as you can, and this is the way I recommend this Printful business because of that, because you can get away from that really quick, and then you become a traveling nomad. You can do what you want, go when you want. Wherever there's an internet connection, you can do your logos and your slogans and your sayings, and you put them on these items that are on Printful, right? That's what you do. That's all it is. It's simple. I'm here to show you how simple and basic it is. And the main part of it is the doing of these, like I said, slogans, logos, and sayings. See, so that's what I'm here to show you. Okay, so, and Printful is the one I recommend because they teach you for free. They teach you, they get you started for free. And they also, they teach you, they train you, on what to do with this business, because you're only a beginner. So that's how this is. Okay, so without further ado, we will get on with it, shall we? We'll create some more logos. That's what we'll do. Okay, here we are. And the first one is a good friend will talk about anything. And that's right, they will too, because they like you. They really like you, and you talk about what you want, and they talk about what they want. So that's how good friends work. A good friend will talk about anything. And there's another one. See, which I've made a bit of a smelling mistake, because you see, that's it. But this is easy for me, because I'm an old man. So, look at my face, friendship endures. So they've got to put an N in there. And I've got to make that a capital. Through the years, and it does. It does, and what it does is some interesting things as well. What it helps you to do. I'll show you. I'll tell. That's the next one, right? The next one is this. This is another one. This is what good friends do as well. Good friends help you, good friends help you. So it's got to be you. I've got to put that in. Sorry, I didn't do that. To help you to go through the hard times, and that's true. They'll give you the support you need. They'll help discuss what's going on and all this sort of thing, because they like you. They're your friend. They're there to lean on. And you lean on them, and they lean on you, and that's how that works. It's a relationship, right? And this is what this is. This is a relationship section, and these are the things that you put on these on your hoodies and your jackets and your caps and your t-shirts and your mugs. You see, and it helps people to understand some things. You see, I know about this, so I know about good friends. We'll talk about everything. I know our friendship endures through the years because I've got friends like that. You see, that I've known for a long time. Friends help you to go through the hard times. I've got a friend that I've known for over nearly 40 years. He was there when I got married. I mean, you'd see this. I've been married for 40 years. Well, so is he. So. But we're good friends, and we've been friends for 40 odd years. So this is what I mean. It helps. This helps you to deal with the things in life. I mean, friends are a good thing. They really are a good thing. And like I said, you can count them on one hand. A really good friend. Like this one, this one that I've got. I mean, he's just really good. He's there. He'll ring up, and but he's moved. He's gone down south. So, but that's okay. I'll try and get down to see him if I can. But that's how it is. But I'll show you how. And look how quick I came up with these sayings. I mean, it didn't take me very long. A few minutes. That was it. And there they are, just like that. And I mean, you just got to spend a little bit of time each day doing this, and then put them up. And don't cry about the losers, and don't start go on about, oh, don't do that, because I'm telling you, you'll be stuck at the post, just like a dog, right? And I tell you what, dogs hate being tied up. They hate it. And I says, and 85% of Americans, and and I'm picking it's the same everywhere else, hate their job. Why? I can understand it. Because it's fixed income. You can't get any more than what you earn. You've got to be there. You've got to be present. You've got to be there to get paid. And don't talk to me about I've got sick pay and I've got holiday pay. I can take that, and use that. So yeah, you can. But once it runs out, try taking a day off then and see if you get paid. I'm telling you, you won't. That's exactly right. That's what will happen. But with this, is that the case? Well, okay, you won't get paid immediately, but hey, once you get your winners, then your cash flow starts, and that's what happens. And you just keep getting winners and keep getting more winners, and you keep persisting and you keep doing some more, and that's what you do. You might not get 2 or 3 in the first month. You might get, and then it goes on like that. That's how it goes. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. It's just a matter of going through it. That's all it is, and persisting. And once you do, you have this. Before you know it, a year goes by and you've got all this cash flow, and then the second year comes along and you go, oh, I'm earning the same in my business as what I'm earning at my job. Oh, I don't need to do my job anymore. And you go to your boss and say, well, boss, I don't need to come in anymore. I've got my another income source. I'm leaving now. See you later. Bye. And you can become a traveling nomad. You can go wherever you like. If you're single, it's no problem. You can travel where you want. You can do what you want. It's really good, and then your income starts to rise. This is what happens as you get more and more logos that sell, and you put them on your hoodie. And I'll show you what I mean. I mean, it's really, really simple, this. It's really simple, basic. See, there goes the girl with the hoodie, and your design here. And the minute you put that design there on that hoodie, it comes a unique product in the marketplace, and no one can get that hoodie with that design on it unless they buy from you. And that's how that is. There's no competition in that. You are unique. That's a unique hoodie in the marketplace, right? That's what it is. And it's being creative, and it's your design, and they have to, if they want it, they want that saying, that logo, that slogan, they have to buy it off you. That's what that means, because it's not available anywhere else. Anybody tries to copy it, they can be struck with breaking copyright law because they're stealing your intellectual property, see? And that's what can happen there. All right? But that's what it means, you see? So why not get involved with Printful and get involved? Because they train you, and they give you instruction and everything that, and they give you a free account. That's the other thing, see, which some of the others don't. They charge you from day one. And how can you create a business if you're shelling out from the start? It doesn't work. It won't work. But with the minute you start getting your winners, then they start to win. See, and then you get more winners, and then they start getting. And this is how it goes. All right. And I'll show you what I mean. I can show you. See, because I know. Here's my free account. See. There's my name right there, and this is what I have to do, and there's the best-selling products, and I put my logo and my slogan and my saying on these products, right? And then I go, go put them in my store, you know, and that's what they, you know, you're setting up your store, you know, see, setting up your shop, set up a shop, see, there is there, 200 points, you know, you get points and things, you know, yeah, how to start a print-on-demand business for beginners. You know, I can show you how to start a t-shirt business. I've got that on the Printful on a Printful page. There's a link there to show you how to do a WordPress website on t-shirts. And so you know you can learn how to do that if you want. You know, I'm not saying that you have to. You don't, but you know But if you do this, you've got a future. You you haven't got a future with your job. You've got the four. You're always contending with the four disasters, which I call being made redundant, being sacked, being getting hurt, and being sick. And all four of those things, you lose your income. All four. And then you kind of your earned income's gone. That's what happens. I've had 3 of those happen to me, so I know that is the damn truth. You see, because 3 of those things have happened to me. I've been hurt. I was off for 18 months. You know, lost my income, gone. Just like that. What else happened? I got sacked from working at the hospital. You know, did something wrong, violated policy, and got sacked. Right, that was that one. And then I was working at the council and as a spray painter, and I got made redundant. That was the end of that. So I've had these things happen to me, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, this happens on earned income, right? And you don't know when the axe falls. Now at COVID-19, it's done that to a lot of people, right? So with this, well, if you get sick and you already established your income, and you get sick, do you think your income stops? No, it doesn't. It doesn't stop. See, if you get hurt, does your income stop once you've established your income? No, it doesn't stop. It keeps going. See, that's the thing. You see, this is the difference, right, between earned income and passive income. Passive income keeps coming in, and that's all there is to it. All you got to do is keep running the traffic. That's all you got to do. That's the only thing you got to do. Nothing out. You can and do your logos, of course. You know, even when you're sick. I mean, you still got to do a little bit of work, but not a lot. You know, maybe 1 hour a day if because you only do 10 a day, and that's it. So little work. I mean, it's just but what you have established will keep going, and when you're ready to come back and you get well and you're over your injury, you go back into it again and just carry on. You see, so and nothing stops. It's really great. That's why I say passive income is the most secure, because it is. See, earned as income, you lose it. You know, you lose it. That's a fact. You know, so that's the account. They teach you everything. See, fashion guides, so they tell you what's selling. The Printful Academy, which is videos and everything you need to know about traffic and all that stuff, and product templates to put your logos on. So they give you everything. They teach you what you need to know. You see, and you'll be unique against all the other Printful shops, because you'll come up with different ideas. See, different slogans, different logos, different sayings, and that's the thing. See, and you can also do it on Google. You can research, and you can just slant or change slogans that are selling and slightly and that's all you have to do, and so then you don't get swatted by breaching copyright. Okay, and you can also design it on Canva. All right, so you can go back to these slogans again, because that's how this is. This is this business, right? It's really good. It's a good business because you can give passive income. You can become a traveling nomad. You can do the business wherever there's an internet connection, which you can't do with a job stuck in one place. And you don't have to do that anymore. That's not necessary, So a good friend will talk about anything. Friendship endures through the years, and it does. That's right. I know that. I've got a friend I've had this friend for 40 odd years. Friends help you to go through the hard times, and they do. They do. That's a fact as well. That's a fact. Okay, so there you go. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.